If you want to set photo as a watch face on Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, you have to start by opening My Faces just right here. And now you will have to go to Manage Local Watch Faces. Then you have to select this one with a gallery, tap on it once. And right now we have to actually upload our images. So click right here, and now you can take the photo right now, or you can select image from your phone gallery. So we have to grant access into your videos and photos. And as you can see right now, you can pick the folder, the specific photo that you want to set up, and you can also pinch like this to zoom in or zoom out to adjust your watch face. So click on the right upper corner to finished. And if you want to apply, by the way, you can also change some color of the background of your photo, like in my case, but I'm gonna stay with the default one. And you can customize this watch face up to your preferences, as you can see. And if you set up everything, just click apply. Now it's gonna actually save that background, and it's gonna transfer it into your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. As you can see, we can find that information on our watch. So we just have to be patient and wait until this watch face will appear on your watch.